Hi everyone, I'm WFA Chief Meteorologist Pete Delkus. We have our first, that's right, our first triple-digit day of the year in the forecast. That's why there's a WFA Weather Alert Day in effect. It's not for this weekend. I'm talking triple-digit heat next week, and actually there's a big part of next week. It's going to feel like summer around here. So Wednesday afternoon, and the impact, it's record heat, the first triple-digit day of the year. So what you need to stay hydrated, you need to limit your time outside, and you need to check on elderly and pets. Please do that. Okay, so what are we talking about with this heat? So I have some triple-digit stats I want to share with you. The average first triple-digit day is July 1, so we're going to be about 6 weeks earlier than normal with this. In addition to that, the earliest first 100-degree day is March 9, 1911. So it certainly happened earlier than what we're looking at. But again, the earliest is March 9, 1911. The last time we had one this early, it was April 6. It's been a while. April 6, 2006, when we hit 101. More stats. The average last triple-digit day is August 26th. The latest last triple-digit day is October 3rd, 1951, and we average 20 per year. Now, I've been talking about this for several months at least, that I do believe this summer, all summers in Texas are hot. Well, actually, there's two that I'll show you in just a minute that weren't hot. But generally speaking, all summers in Texas are hot. I do believe this one's going to be hotter than normal. And again, the normal or the average number of triple-digit days is 20. So I believe this summer we will certainly have more than 20 days. The conditions are just setting up right for that to take place. So a few more stats here for you. The most triple-digit days we've had in a year. Remember this one? I certainly do. 71 days. It was a brutal summer, the summer of 2011. The fewest in a year. These were the 2 years when we didn't have a summer in North Texas. We didn't have, it was hot, but we just didn't have any triple-digit days. That was the summer of 1986 and 1973. Most in a month, it was really the summer of record, just a brutal summer of 1980. The most in a month was July 31. And take a look at some of these numbers from 1980, I should say. The most consecutive, we had 42 triple-digit days in a row in the summer of 1980, June 23 through August 3rd. The hottest temperature ever recorded in Dallas-Fort Worth was that same summer. That happened early that year. June 26 and June 27, on those 2 days, we hit 113 degrees. So hot temps indeed. Those are some record numbers for you. And there's my forecast on Wednesday, 17 degrees above normal. The record high is 95, set back in 1955. There's my forecast. The European model is going 103. So to say, and it's our most accurate model. All the other models are showing triple-digit numbers as well. Monday will just be a degree above normal. Tuesday, 11 above normal. The record high is 95. We'll be close. My forecast is 94. You know the story on Wednesday. 13 degrees above normal Thursday. My forecast high is 96. The record's 97. Not too many years ago, just a few years ago, back in 2022. Friday, the record's 94. My forecast, we're in the ballpark. My forecast is 92. That's 8 degrees warmer than normal as we head through then. So as we move through the rest of the night tonight, we are in the process of drying out. Check this out. Nothing more than a couple of passing clouds. This is 8 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. Saturday, some sun in the morning, a few clouds straggling around in the afternoon, but Saturday's a dry day. And then as we head through the day on Sunday, Saturday night's dry. Here's 8 in the morning on Sunday. Check this out. Couple little, watch, this is noon, so Sunday morning's dry with sunshine. Sunday afternoon, clouds roll in, and there's a couple little spotty showers. So the rain coverage today was about 20%, rain coverage on Sundays about 10%. So that's the way it shapes up for Mother's Day. And there we go. There's the map. The Metroplex 10, east of the Metroplex 20% coverage, East Texas about 30% coverage. And your Mother's Day forecast specifically, 8 in the morning on Sunday, 57 and dry. By noon, a few clouds are rolling in, but still partly sunny, 72, maybe a spotty shower. A few extra clouds, a few more clouds Sunday at 5 p.m. than noon, and I know this graphic doesn't depict it, but just use your imagination. 10% of us on Sunday, and at 5 p.m. we'll have a temp of 78 degrees. So my forecast tonight, any lingering rain out there right now is in the process of ending. Skies clear, breezy, 59's a low tonight. During the day tomorrow, it's a partly sunny day, it's a dry day, it's a pleasant day, it's a breezy day. We hit 77 tomorrow. The next 14 days, there we go, and you can see next week, right through Friday, there we go. Hot temps indeed, hottest of the season are on the way. The final 7 of the 14 days, still above normal with our temperatures as we head through the final 7 of the 14 days, May 17 through May 23. But as of right now, a couple little spotty showers, that time frame. So 20% of us, we are going to have to watch for the potential, not this weekend, but the following weekend, the weekend of Saturday and Sunday, May 17 and 18, to see if there's a severe weather potential and if that rain coverage goes up. But right now, that Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, just a little bit of isolated rain in the forecast and high temps right around, give or take, but right around the 90-degree mark. Make sure you keep it here on WFA Plus for the latest.